What's up, guys? It's me, Junior. And then, I have to tell you something about my life. And then, so guys, I want you to tell, I want you guys to tell about my parents, my family and my parents. So guys, my name is Junior, and my family also trying to take care of me. And then, I try to my brother also is also being is he's being my brother is also being kind, or my brother is also to me is being kind, but he's trying to discipline me, but it can feel like he has conflict to me, but I was getting fight to him, my brother. And my sister always tried to 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 help me, or he's out my sister also is already older than my brother. My brother is right now 6. I don't know what age is my brother eh. So my sister is already adult, and then she always cook, she always take she always try to work in her room with laptop. She always try to study or clean the bath. At Sunday, my sister always clean the rest of in the bathroom, because she's already adult. But my mom got stressed and work sometimes. When she's tired, she always sleeping all the time. But she also so try to nap all the time. My dad also lives in Tagaytay, in Silang. My dad also lives there, but but my dad also has his own his own family, like my aunties, my two aunties.